Take my hands. Close your eyes. Now feel.
That's a big deal.
If she rolls over, does the baby move?
She's looking around.
What was I made for?
Ready, baby?
No.
That's my baby, having a baby.
She is coming. 100%.
Don't you turn around.
Yeah, you're not allowed to take us back.
No more baby bump. It was so little. I didn't get that big.
It's still little.